Hey art friends, did you know that we have fun how to draw books? We've been working on these for a while and they're finally here. If you enjoy drawing with us on our YouTube channel, you'll love these step-by-step drawing books. We've made them super easy to follow and they're packed with some of your favorite drawing projects. Today I'm excited to show you not just one, but 3 of our books. Let's take a closer look inside each of the books. Here's the animals book. See how easy these step-by-step instructions are? Whether you're just starting or have been drawing with us for a while, you'll have a blast following along. And here's the Cute and Funny Foods book. I love this one so much because each drawing is just fun and full of character. You could draw things like talking burgers or a cupcake with personality. And now for the Christmas book. This one's packed with fun holiday drawings that will get you ready for the season. There are snowmen, ornaments, and even a cute gingerbread man. It's great for families to draw together during the holidays. So if you haven't checked out our books yet, now's a great time to get started. They make drawing even more fun and are perfect to work on at home or with friends and family. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can find these books anywhere books are sold. I'll see you in the next drawing lesson, and don't forget to keep having fun and drawing with us, whether it's on our YouTube channel or with our books. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.